Welcome again, 8th graders. I'm trying to get a day ahead, so that's why I've got the same outfit on. Organizing data. That's big and important and key. Y'all may want to take a note from Josie. She keeps that stuff pretty organized and therefore has an advantage in many situations. All right. So compare or write with the less than or greater than. All right. So 18 is greater than 15. 16 is less than 19. 27 is less than 28. 53 is greater than 51. Let's see how we did. We got 1 right, 2 right, 3 right, 4 right. Today is Wednesday. What day of the week will it be in 100 days? Divide by 7, then add a few. It'll be Friday. Because 7 goes into 98-ish. Learn to organize data in line plots, stem and leaf plots, and Venn diagrams. 3 different things we're doing today. Now these are things that I know you've done in previous years, so we're going to go rather quickly. Organizing raw data can help you see patterns and trends. One way to organize data is to use a line plot. A line plot uses a number line to show how often values occur in a data set. How often? All right, so we've got all these test scores. We're going to use a line plot. Find the least value and the greatest value, 50 to 100. Then draw a number line from 50 to 100. We do such. Then we start to put the x's above the numbers. We see then we have a 80 and the 100 with the most scores. And we seem to have a large grouping of scores right in this area. I'd say the teacher did a pretty good job on that test. We'd really love to help these 4 students, but overall did okay. Okay? There are 16 numbers in the set, and there's 16 x's above the number line. Use a line plot to organize these feet of snow in different years. All right. So we do that. 1 is the smallest, 11 being the biggest. We draw our number line from 1 to 11. We put our x's on there. 9 feet of snow had the most times recorded. It appeared the most in all the years. All right. Notice there are 20 numbers and there are 20 x's. This is a way to quickly see which one had the most. A stem and leaf plot is a graph used to organize and display data to compare frequencies. How often things happen. Okay? Each leaf on the plot represents the right-hand digit in a data. Each stem represents the remaining left-hand digits. So, 2, 5. The 10 goes left of it. The 1s goes right of it. That's representative of 25. Stem is the first digit. Leaf is the last digit. So list the data values on the stem and leaf plot. 12 and 15 are in this group. 40, 41, and 41. 52, 57, 59. It's a way to not have to write that tens digit multiple times. And when we look at this, there are the values that we've written out. Okay? List the data values of the stem and leaf plot. We see 23 and 26, 37, 38, 39, 42, 45, 46. All right, you can quickly there's 8 numbers here. So, that key, and we see the numbers we have. Back-to-back stem and leaf plots can be used to compare 2 sets of data. The stems are in the center, and the leaves are read in reverse. So, in 1950, representatives, and in 2000, representatives. Okay, so for the 1950s one, all right, we would have a 4 here. We would have a 5 with the 2s. We wouldn't have anything with the 3s. Oh, I forgot an 8 up here. With the 4s, we'd have a 43, and we'd have a 1 with that. Let's see if they did it like that. All right, so 1 and 9, there's 19. 1 and 0, 1 and 5, 1 and 19. And notice they go from least to biggest. 1 and 8, or 1 and 4, 1 and 8, they go from least to biggest. 2 and 9, we see it there. 2 and 5, 3 and 1, 4 and 3. That's a way to quickly see, oh, populations have gone up because now they have more electoral votes for many of the states. Back to back. Voted versus did not voted. And we're going to see how that compares. All right, we have our items in the middle. Did not vote. 0, 8, 5, and 5. Oh, they go there. For the 1s, we have 14 and we have 18. For the 2s, we have 20 and 21. Okay? And for the did votes, we only had 8 there. Then we see we have 16, 10, 12, 16 for the 1s. And we have 23, 24 right here. It's a way to quickly and easily see how things have gone in recent elections, or in recent age groups for the election. Now, a Venn diagram, these are my favorite probably. So, make a Venn diagram to show how many 8th grade students play soccer. Okay, so grade 8, soccer, sport, baseball. Here's what we're going to do with that data. 2 circles, label one 8th grade and the other soccer. So, 8th graders and soccer players. So we might have 15 8th graders and 15 soccer players, but we might only have 6 that overlap in that area that are 8th graders that are soccer players. So there were 2 8th graders. There were 3 soccer players. And there were 2 of the whole group. Let's go back. So, grade 8, baseball. Grade 8 soccer, and we have our different data and our different numbers. Okay, when we look at this one, 6th graders and band members, there are 2 6th graders, there are 2 band members, there are 3 that do both. So actually, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there are 2 that are band members that aren't 8th graders, and there's 3 that are 8th graders. So we have our 5 band members. That's what we've got today. The Venn diagrams, I'm going to show you real quickly what might happen. Now, I think you've got it. You can probably look in the book and have just as good a time.